Sukriti is not mature, sometimes he cannot to survive and to follow all the instructions. Second, maybe some his offense for us.
Porque ele falou que tem duas razões. Uma que às vezes o crítico não está maduro, então ele não vai conseguir seguir tudo. E também porque às vezes por causa de alguma ofensa parada, também ele não consegue.
अर्चमेव हरयं ज पूजयते न श्रद्धेषु तद्भक्तिषु स्वभक्त प्राकृत स्मृत अर्चमेव हरयं. Unified devotees, Kanishta Adhikari, this is their qualifications. They are thinking his Ishtadev Thakurji, our Lord, is all in all. But his Shraddha is very soft, very subtle. Jahar Komal Shraddha se Kanishta jan. Who has soft faith is called Kanishta. But what is his symptom? He has very soft faith with the instruction of Shastra or Guru. But he is thinking Thakurji is all in all. And so for this regard, actual sometimes he cannot balance himself. Cannot balance himself. This is the reason, lack of Sukriti. Or another reason also, maybe offenses, aparat.
Does it mean that he has more faith in God than in Guru?
Yes, Kanishta Adhikari is more faith than Krishna to Guru. Actually, this is not the faith, that is what? Soft faith. If anything happen, again he also take his Thakurji and throw in the water. So what is the faith saying? Okay, it's not actual, not faith. Why he is called Kanishta Adhikari? Because he has little bit faith. For this regard, Goswamis accept Kanishta Adhikari. For this regard, Kanishta Adhikari is called Bhakta Abhas. Samrindra Bhakta. Actually, he is not really Bhakta. He is Bhakta Abhas. When sadhaka will come in the stage of Madhyamadhikari, that time actual he is called devotee of Lord. Because Madhyamadhikari has 4 qualifications. Ishware tadinsu varisusu didasucha prema maitri kripa apeksha jakarati madhyama. Madhyamadhikari 4 qualifications. Ishware prem, has love and affection with Lord. Prema. Maitri. Maitri means he makes the friendship with the devotee. Prema Maitri. Kripa, he gives mercy to all the living entities. Upeksha, those who are against our Guru and Vaishnava, then he neglect. He neglects him. So these are the 4 qualifications of Madhyamadhikari. Kanishta Adhikari, he has lack of also Sukriti. Lack of Sukriti and lack of knowledge of Shastra. Because he has no Shastra Gyan, knowledge of the scriptures, for this regard he can't to balance himself. Follow.
Cannot balance himself means I cannot understand.
Faith, what is he doing, he sometimes cannot do. And this is the reason. And his mind disturbed. If Guru says, hey, you should not do this, you should do this. That time he arguments, why Gurudev would tell to this? Hey, Guru says this, Guru is not give, Guru speaks everything according to the Shastra. You follow, not follow, this is another thing. But Guru will speak perfect way, not. But if you say, hey, Gurudev, why did you say this? This is the stupid nonsense. Are you Shastra saying? Guru says, you should not do this. Understand? You follow the Ekadashi. Gurudev, why did you say this? Follow Ekadashi. Guru will be say or not? Because Shastra is saying you have to follow Ekadashi. Every day you chant 64 rounds. Guru will be say or not? You will say, why Gurudev you told to us chanting 64, I cannot. You cannot, this is another thing. But Guru will be say or not? Because Shastra is saying, Mahaprabhu told, I can take his offering, one who chants ek lakshana, mane 100,000 holy names. Lakshapati grihe se ami kari bhojan. Mahaprabhu say, one who chants 64 rounds, I accept his offering. If you say, no, Gurudev, I cannot chant 64 rounds, so why did you say this? You not chant, this is yours. But Shastra saying, Gurudev, Mahaprabhu saying, I will say or not? But Kanishta Adhikari, he cannot understand these things. One person not following all the rules, there is another thing. Tato dukkha garhitam. Srimad Bhagavad explained this way. Sometimes the devotee cannot follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. Is it true? Why? Because he is conditional soul. Baddha jivas. Baddha jivas, this is the symptom also. Cannot follow all the rules and regulations of the scriptures. This is the nature of the condition. If he follows the all rules, why will say he is Baddha? He is Baddha. Baddha understand? But have to follow. When he will follow all the rules, then he will become Mukta. This is the symptom. Fala.
Então, ele falou que, na verdade, como o verso define quem é Kanishta Adhikari, né? Archayam Evaharaye. Esse verso explica que o Kanishta Adhikari, na verdade, ele tem a fé muito débil, mas ele tem essa fé débil dele, é mais, não é fé de verdade, mas a fé débil dele é mais na Takudi do que no Guru. Entendeu? E aí quando o Guru fala uma coisa, ele não consegue, equilibrar tudo que ele está ouvindo, ou conseguir seguir as coisas direito, entendeu? Então, na verdade, ele não é devoto, ele é chamado de Bhaktabas. Semblance, se alguém tiver uma boa tradução para essa palavra, não sei. Ele é como se fosse uma aparência de um devoto. Ele, na verdade, não é um devoto. Realmente, devoto, a pessoa é só a partir de uma
Oi, Hare come here, listen Harikatha.
Vocês virem aqui ouvir Harikatha, que aí não desse lado.
Pra trás dele não.
Listen or not?
Então, aí falou que, na verdade, aí o Kanishta Adhikari, na verdade, essa fé dele é muito débil. Qualquer coisa que aconteça, depois ele vai e joga a deidade na água, se desfaz da deidade. E aí o Guru fala uma coisa pra ele e ele não consegue entender. Ai, Gurudeva, por que você falou isso? Né? Gurudeva... Não, peraí, antes ele tá falando do Madhyama Adhikari, né? Porque o Madhyama Adhikari que realmente é um devoto. Como ele tem as 4 qualidades definidas nesse verso do Bhagavatam também, Ishvareta Delinesh, que ele tem amor por Deus, por Ishvara, ele também tem amizade com os devotos, ele dá misericórdia para os inocentes e também ele negligencia os que são contrários a Guru e Krishna. Então, o Madhyama Adhikari é realmente um devoto, mas o Kanishta ele tem essa fé débil. Então, como o Gurudeva estava explicando, ele não consegue reconciliar ou equilibrar as coisas que ele ouve do Guru e seguir. Então, se o Guru falar para ele cantar 64 voltas, ele fica, Gurudeva, por que você falou isso? Eu não consigo cantar. Mas você cantar ou não, isso é problema seu, isso é uma questão sua, conseguir cantar. Porque Mahaprabhu ele disse que ele só ia aceitar as oferendas de quem cantasse Ekalaksha Harinam, 100.000 santos nomes, né? Que são 64 voltas. Mas se você não conseguir cantar, é coisa sua. Mas o Guru vai ter que falar isso. Porque tudo que o Guru diz está condizente com o Shastra. Mas você fica, Gurudeva, o Kanishta Adhikari, né? Fica, por que você está falando isso? Pô, eu não consigo seguir. Mas o Guru tem que falar essas coisas. Como o Guru estava falando também, né? Como o Guru vai falar que a gente tem que seguir Ekadasi. Mas você não consegue seguir tudo, aí você fica, Gurudeva, por que você fala assim? Exemplo de um Kanishta Adhikari que não consegue equilibrar tudo que ouve do Guru. Mas o Guru tem que dizer tudo que está de acordo com o Shastra. Na verdade, se você conseguisse... Você realmente não consegue seguir todas as regras das escrituras. Porque você é uma Bada Jiva, uma alma condicionada, né? A alma condicionada não consegue seguir todas as escrituras. Por isso que ela é uma alma condicionada. Se ela conseguir seguir todas as regras e regulações das escrituras, ela seria uma alma liberada, muktadiva. E
Olha aí, poxa.
Alguém tem alguma pergunta?
Olha aí.
She's saying that sometimes when you speak to people, going to preach to people, they say, "Oh, we are going to preach to someone," and then we say about the jivas that they are eternal, and they say, "Well, but how can you explain the expansion of population? More people are coming to this, like the population is growing up in the world, yes? So how to explain this? And because if there's if the souls are, the jivas are eternal, then there is a limited number of, they think there's a limited number of jivas because they are eternal. So how to explain the population growth? And also, qual é o restante da pergunta?
Se os animais estão vindo para os humanos.
Is this due, the growth of population, is it due to like jivas that are in different bodies, like dogs or cats or ducks, and then they become humans? What to say to these people?
or creating new jivas, yes.
Are
Okay.
jivas being created also now?
Okay, just I tell you, this is good question. Many impartialists also saying this. Now, how whole world, how much population? What is called
Population.
population? 7 billions. In Mahabharat, in Dapar Yug, Mahabharat, only battlefield of Kurukshetra, how much? You know? That is explained the 18th 1,000 millions, no brilliance.
18 billions.
Because 18 Akshani saying. Akshani means how many brilliance. So now is nothing. If you see these things, what we are saying this way, so this is nothing with everything. And many living entities also wandering. The insects and mosquitoes, many insects is going on. Coming to different bodies are going. And other things, not only this planet, millions of planets. And jivas also wandering, going one planet to another planet and going this way. So this is increasing and decreasing. This is nothing. This is also going on through the instruction of God. This is going on, this is nothing. And according to the science also explain, the earth, she herself equilibrium. Equilibrium, understand? She makes the balance.
Oh, okay.
For this regard, earthquake, many things are coming and she destroys. Everything depends on her also. These things. Voila.
Na verdade, quanto à população hoje em dia da Terra humana, 7 bilhões, sabe quantas pessoas existiam no campo de batalha de Kurukshetra? Só naquela guerra tinham 18 bilhões de pessoas. Então, Então essa população de hoje em dia não é nada. Então tem muitas espécies, muitas almas que estão num corpo de formiga e outros corpos que também estão nascendo como ser humano agora. E também tem o fato de que existem vários sistemas planetários, universos, e as almas estão vindo de um universo para o outro, assim, isso faz com que a população aumente ou diminui. E também tem que a própria Terra, ela vai equilibrar a população de acordo, fazendo catástrofes naturais, como terremotos e o que mais ele falou? Terremoto e... E essa pergunta é muito boa, porque realmente vários impersonalistas levantam essa questão, então é uma ótima pergunta.
He told in Kurukshetra we have there
18 billions?
18,000 billions. So now nothing. What there is 700 or 1,000 or something that you are saying. This is nothing in front of you.
Ok, 18 trilhões. Então tinha 18 trilhões de pessoas só no campo de batalha de Kurukshetra. Então hoje 7 bilhões de pessoas na Terra não é nada.
And another thing, also innumerable also planets. Jivas are going even this way.
E existem milhões e milhões de sistemas planetários. E as almas estão vagando por diferentes universos, indo e vindo.
Even if you come in the even in this material world, you can see many countries, their population not growing. For they are bringing the others country people. Understand this? About 25 years, not more than 25 years before, German they also give their declaration. If anybody is come in their country, they give the what is called nationality. Now Germany is kicked out, but it's too much for us.
Now Canada. Canada bringing.
Okay, so many countries also this way not growing there and coming this way. In the same way, innumerable planets, innumerable Brahmanda, not only one these things. So Lord He is doing this way, that they are living it is going this planet to this planet, this planet, this planet. So,
então você pode ver que nem, por exemplo, nos países, né? Tem país que a população está estável e não cresce mais, aí o país tem que ficar com uma política migratória aberta, né, para receber mais pessoas, que as pessoas venham morar no país. Como, por exemplo, há 25 anos atrás, na Alemanha, eles abriram as portas para quem quiser morasse lá, eles iam dar nacionalidade e tudo mais. Mas agora eles pararam com essa política porque já tem muita gente, dizem que não tem mais como cuidar, né, se manter com tanta gente, então eles estão até querendo expulsar as pessoas. Mas agora, né, por exemplo, o Canadá, outros países estão abertos para isso. Então, da mesma forma, existem vários inumeráveis planetas e universos e brahmandas. Então, Krishna, o Senhor Supremo, ele está administrando isso, passando as almas de um lugar para o outro. E elas nascem num lugar, depois nascem no outro. E tudo isso acontece, ele tinha dito antes, de acordo com a instrução dele, esse nascimento. E o que mais mesmo? O que vamos falar?
É isso mesmo.
our vision is limit. For this regard, think how to create on this way. But when your vision will become liberal, you can see how the living entities, they are increasing, decreasing, going in where, then you can see.
Que agora nossa visão é limitada, então a gente não consegue ver isso e ficar, como que isso acontece e tal, mas se a gente expandir nossa visão se expandir, a gente vai conseguir entender como que, na verdade, os seres vivos estão passando de um universo para outro, né, de uma espécie para outra, é tudo muito mais abrangente, muito maior do que a gente imagina.
Understand? Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj, the one Brahmanda finished, then all the living is going another Brahmanda, and they're going another Brahmanda, is going in this.
E Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explica no Chaitanya Charitamrita que quando um Brahmanda ele termina, todas as almas que estavam ali vão para outro Brahmanda e assim elas depois vão para outro Brahmanda e assim.
This question also, that Muslim guy, Zakir, he also asked this question. I listen his internet, he is saying this.
Essa pergunta, na verdade, aquele muçulmano lá, o Zakir alguma coisa, ele também falou essa pergunta, eu vi na internet a conferência dele.
Many times also you are also small mosquitoes. This. Now you are coming human being.
Vocês já foram várias vezes mosquitinhos e agora vocês vieram como seres humanos.
Are they in human being going to mosquitoes?
Aí depois de ser humano você vira e volta a ser como um mosquito.
So in this way we're wondering, in this way.
Então assim vocês estão vagando. And these jivas were inert, like in the air or in our body.
everywhere.
We can, after being like conscious, then you can again be this kind of jiva which is only sleeping.
No, jivas, actual, all jivas are not taking the body. Some, though they also they are settled body in there, wandering in the space, and this. Is the many jivas, they are not just they are inside in the settled body, sukshma sari, and wandering in this way. Not necessary all they will take the gross body. Animals, many also. Many ghosts also here. You can see many ghosts.
You can see.
Because some people, some philosophers, they say that we are always evolving. That's not we are always developing, evolving. So it's not possible if we are now human beings. It's not possible to go back and become.
No, this is not that. Our Srimad Bhagavad is not saying this way. This is a misconception. Bharat Maharaj, he was human being. Then how did he come down in the deer? Human being is higher or this thing? This is the theory of what is called Darwin theory. But this theory is not perfect. This is not the evidence in our Shastra. Darwin said this way, oh, our forefather was monkey, or what is called gorilla. I am saying your forefather is gorilla, my father is gorilla. You are saying this, right? My father is what? I am saying this. We are coming from man of human being, Manav. Manu, Manav. Why are you saying you are Manav? He is saying this word, Manav, this word is what coming. Manu snak pratyarthe Manava. Manu, we are coming in the dynasty of Manav. Actual, our origin father, Brahma. Krishna is the manifest Brahmaji. According to Srimad Bhagavatam, you read Srimad Bhagavatam, explain, Brahmaji manifested in the lotus navel of Narayana. Then Brahmaji is thinking what to do. He manifests in the Pralaybari, the water of the ocean. Pralaybari. Then he thinking everywhere completely water, Japani pani, jal, water. And thinking why Lord He creates me? What is my duty? Then he could not understand where I have come from. Then again he entered the stamp of the lotus, but he could not find out. Again he coming. Then we surprised. What will do now? Then just this word coming. Top, 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 to and po. That means Lord is giving me instruction to tapasya, austerities. Then Brahmaji meditate. Well, how will do of tapasya? What is this? Then once when Omkar this sabda. That is called pranabhachak, auspicious sound. Then Brahmaji is chanted. Then Lord Narayana manifest, and told to him, it is your duty to creation. This is concept. So Brahmaji first he creates what is called 4 Kumaras. Then he creates Narada and many also Rishi Munis, but creation is not going on. Because they are not married and they took sannyas. Understand this thing? Then Brahmaji is saying what will do now? Then he manifested that the Manu and Satarupa. Srimad Bhagavata gives it. Manu Satarupa. Then then when they meet, then they creating the human being and coming in this. So Brahmaji, Manu Satarupa, then all these coming. This is our dynasty. So for this regard, we are called Manav, Manu Sri Pratyaya. Our actual origin father, Brahma to Manu to Manav. This is coming. Then Manav, they are doing, human being doing many karma, according to karma, they are going different species, this way. Even Brahmaji also created, third canto also explains, Brahmaji he creates the many kinds of human, what is called, living entities. 2 legs animals, 4 legs, this way. Then first, then last he manifested the human being as like Bible also saying this way. Bible and Srimad Bhagavatam, same thing. God created man after his own image. God created man, human being, after his own image. After means what? That means he created others living entities. Then he did not satisfy. Then finally he creates the human being as like him. For the regard, use this word, image. Image means is what? As like him, as like our photo. This way. So the human being, this way. So human being this way, in this way, is going on this. So you cannot say that after human being you go in where? If you not good karma, if you go lower down, lower. Or if you go bad good karma, then you will go upper planets. This is the thing. So Bharat Maharaj, a human being, attached with the deer, then coming in his what? Deer. After deer body, then he is coming in his what? Human body. That's called Jada Bharat. Jada Bharat, then he delivered from this and attained to abode of Lord. Voila.
Sometimes you say that in our body, one jiva is active and others are like sleeping, like the cells you can see in the blood. You say like this.
In this body,
again coming this kind of body.
in this,
like
because innumerable,
microorganism.
what is called, the Atma, soul, they are living in this body also. Everywhere is going. But one Atma, soul, just is working. This for this regard, this body is working. One Atma, that is called active. Or others Atma in this body, that is what? That is called inactive. That means the fainted stage.
You can come back in this also.
Where?
Being
In a fainted stage.
yeah.
Fainted stage, when Lord's desire will come, then they will take the body and this go.
And we can also go back to this kind of position.
Like unconscious position, like
If you
one
not do
jiva.
bhajan, then the Lord will send to Brahma space and unconscious will stay in there. For this, labdha sudurlamidam bahu sambhavante manusam arthadam anityam apiyadira turnam jatana patayedu numittum javat nisasa visakulu sarvata sat. If you not do bhajan and sadhan, and it very rare you will return back your human body. And not so easy to get back also this body also. And voila.
Então, porque na verdade tem várias almas em toda parte, né? Em todo lugar. Tem almas também que não estão encarnadas, estão no corpo sutil, né? Como vocês podem ver, tem vários fantasmas aqui agora. Então, tem várias almas em vários lugares. Aí ele perguntou, e essa questão que tem gente que diz que a gente está, tipo, uma evolução, né? Evoluindo, né? Que a gente vai cada vez nascendo num corpo melhor, é isso?
Tem filosofias que falam isso, que você só vai evoluindo de corpos mais grosseiros, assim, consciência mais grosseira para...
Aí Gurudev disse, realmente tem muita gente que fala isso, essa é como a teoria de Darwin, né? Que diz isso tá errado, não tem nada a ver com, não tem nenhuma base nas escrituras, como a gente vê a história de Bharat Maharaj, que ele era um ser humano, depois ele nasceu como um veado, né? E depois ele nasceu de novo como ser humano, no caso de Jara Bharat. Então isso mostra claramente que a gente pode cair e ir para uma espécie inferior, porque a espécie de veado é uma espécie inferior. Se você diz, então se você vem me dizer a teoria de Darwin, dizer que os nossos ancestrais é um gorila, um macaco, eu falo para você, sim, o seu ancestral era um macaco, o meu não. O meu é mano, o meu ancestral é mano, porque na verdade o Bhagavatam explica que quando o Brahmaji ele nasceu do umbigo de lótus do Senhor Narayana, naquela água do universo, né? Do oceano. Aí quando ele nasceu, ele viu tudo escuro, não sabia o que fazer, aí ele foi nadando até tentar achar a base do lótus, de onde ele tinha nascido, não achou nada. Aí ele voltou, ele começou a ouvir o som tapa, né? E aí esse som ele entendeu, Deus está me mandando fazer austeridades. Então ele começou a fazer austeridade, porque tapasse a austeridade. E aí ele começou a recitar o mantra Om, que é um som muito auspicioso, né? São de bons auspícios. E aí ele começou a recitar Om. E aí enfim, aí depois Deus capacitou ele a criar e tudo mais. Então primeiro ele criou, né, os 4 Kumaras e Narada e vários outros rishis. Aí, só que a criação não aumentava, porque todo mundo era só sannyasi, ninguém queria procriar. Só que aí finalmente ele criou esses 2 seres humanos, né, iniciais, Mano e Satyarupa, esse casal. E aí aí sim eles procriaram e fez a população aumentar. Então todos os seres humanos são chamados de Mana porque eles vêm de Mano. E aí
Ele disse de Brahma.
Ah, sim, de Brahma. Então, e aí também. Brahma quem?
Que, na verdade, antes de Mano, Brahma. Ele falou, você já falou isso?
Sim, sim. E aí também tem a questão também das almas, né, que estão por aí. Na verdade, não um corpo, tem uma alma ativa. E várias outras almas estão numa posição, tipo, como se elas estivessem desmaiadas. E sim, a gente pode voltar a nascer se a gente não fizer Bhajana Sadhana, a gente pode, até mesmo Deus, Krishna manda a gente virar como se fossem essas almas que estão inativas, que estão assim vagando no espaço, porque realmente, como o Bhagavad explica lá da Sudurlabham, que na verdade esse corpo é muito raro e não é fácil conseguir de novo o corpo humano. Se você não fizer Bhajana Sadhana, né, é muito difícil mesmo conseguir um corpo humano de novo.
Gurudeva, last question, please. Ontem Gurudeva visitou um centro de Umbanda, né? Ele foi umbandista por muito tempo. E lá se prega muito que essas almas que estão desencarnadas é uma forma de espiar o seu karma negativo fazendo caridade através dos médiuns. Isso realmente acontece
Através dos médios?
através dos médiuns, as pessoas que recebem, que incorporam esses butas ou esses espíritos. Que é uma forma de fazer caridade, de espiar o seu karma negativo. Isso realmente acontece? Existe a possibilidade de que essas escolas filosóficas, essas instituições possam realmente ajudar na queima de karma dessas pessoas para que elas voltem de uma forma humana, ou realmente só Bhajana Sadhana pode fazer isso?
Mas que eu não vou dar caridade com os médios, eu não entendi.
É porque assim, o médium ele recebe incorporação para fazer a caridade através daquele espírito que veio passar uma mensagem ou fazer uma cura. Isso realmente acontece?
Caridade porque ajudar as pessoas dando
Isso, ajudar as pessoas dando passe, enfim, dando conselhos, enfim. O próprio contato do espírito que está através do médium com a pessoa. Isso realmente acontece. Esses espíritos desencarnados, essas almas fora do corpo físico, elas podem fazer isso mesmo? Isso acontece?
E estão espiando o karma de quem está desencarnado, é isso?
Não, é dessas pessoas. O espírito, no caso, através do médium, estaria se beneficiando dessa ajuda que ele está fazendo, dessa caridade material que ele está fazendo. Isso acontece?
Yesterday, we went to this Umbanda center. Yes,
Huh?
this place we went yesterday. That place, they have like a religious way of doing things.
He was from Manu many years.
He used to
Practice Umbanda for
practice
years.
this religion of that place that we went yesterday. And in that religion, they know that there are ghosts, people who are only in subtle body, not in gross body, and they communicate with them, and they also
Receive the ghost in their body. Some people, they have some psychic power and they can receive the ghost in their body, and through them the ghosts like help others or give some instruction to others or say any message to the people.
Yeah.
And they think that this is charity to the people, and they think that by doing this ghost, the soul of the ghost becomes like is burning the sin. It's like
sins.
como é que fala prajitita mesmo?
O fantasma, ele ajuda as pessoas a queimar seu próprio carro. É isso?
Isso, no caso o espírito através do espírito,
de quem?
o
Do médium ou
o fantasma, o fantasma ajudando através do médium, ele se beneficia.
Quem se beneficia? O médium?
Becomes
Fantasma.
active from the body of someone who has this power of.
This is real.
Is this happening?
Like
This
the ghost
kind of thing
doing
is
prajitita of
happening.
his karma if he's helping others to the.
Two things are there. If someone really practice these types of and follow the procedure, maybe they can control the ghost, and we do this. That is a spirit, that is called spirit of the soul. Really. But some also just speculative. Most of the people, they are speculative. That is not true. Or if really one who practiced and different way, then they can control the ghost. Understand? Ghosts have the power, these things they can do, but not everywhere.
But it's good for the ghost if it comes in one person's body and helping others. This will like do prashchita of the ghosts as ghost karma.
Actual ghost cannot do his name is ghost. Who is called ghost? Why he is ghost? Who becomes ghost? Tell to me first.
Kills her, the one who kills oneself.
Those who are doing bad karma, they are become ghost. You try to. Good person will not become ghost. You try to understand.
Good person will not become ghost.
Good person cannot become ghost. Our Shastra is saying this. Eh? So bad person, those who are doing bad thing, bad karma, they are going to the ghost. So that bad person, how to help you? This is another thing. Okay, bad person can also help you as like, but you, by force they are doing it. They actually not giving to any information to you. Sometimes there's only the speculative and cheating the people.
You can help to when? What did you say?
Not they are helping to you. This is not true. Speculative. Cheating the people. Most of that this is cheating the people. Actually, this is not true.
Maharaj, they also believe that not only ghosts, they are not only ghosts, but entities that are in a subtle body that are not bad, and they are coming and giving instruction. They believe this.
They believe is a good person is how possible they will come here. If you do these things, so this is not true. This is only speculative. Speculative. This is nothing. Only, I think, oh, maybe the ghost is coming. This is not true. Actually, this is not. Only, actually, what this is Krishna also told. Janti devabrata devana pitri jantri pitribrata. Bhutani janti bhutejja. Those who worship the bhutas, ghost, they will go bhuta lok. Understand? Huh? Believe it is believe on another thing. Believe coming in from where? Speculative or according to the Shastra?
Yes.
Believe many things. But this belief is speculative or blind or perfect. Who give the perfect answer this way? That is called the speculative things. And for this regard, they are doing many bad things also. Stupid nonsense. Drinking alcohol and raping the stupid nonsense. Many doing this. So? Raping the ladies. This is there are many also. India also these types of people also. Understand? Hypnotize this thing and rape the lady and stupid nonsense. Listen, as like Chapal Gopal. All Chapal Gopal. Chapal Gopal, understand? Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavad. That you are drinking alcohol and they worship that what is called bhutas and coming this way. Actually, this is nothing. Cheating the people. Understand? This is the stupid nonsense. These types of also sadhus. Most of you go India. That is called what I call. I forget those who are staying in the cemetery place. Kapalik, that's sadhu. That is called, there is called, I forget. Agardani sadhus. Agardani sadhus, even they also eat the flesh of the dead body. These types of people. Drinking alcohol, and you think, oh, you have this problem, I will solve. Actually not solving, nothing. Eh? And hypnotize the people. And also doing very bad things. Eh? These things. So, actually this is not true. Maybe someone also, good people, good also, but very, very rare. Kali Yuga not. For this regard saying Kali Yuga Nam Sankirtan, Hare Nama, Iva Kevalam, Kalu Nasteva Nasteva Gatirannata. Kali Yuga Nam Sankirtan, Mahaprabhu told this. Only if you chant holy name, then you will. Cheto Darpana Marjanam Bhava Maha Dabag Nirbhapanam. Sreya Kairva Chandrika Vitaranam Viddabudhi Jivanam. Anandamadi Vardhanam Pratipadam Purnamrita Sadhanam Sarvatma Sanapanam Param Vijayate Shri Krishna Sankirtan Nam Sankirtan. Kali Yuga there are no any other things. People they also sitting, hypnotize, doing this. Many also going astrologers to be nonsense. Then saying, okay, this person is not, oh, my son is what? You can marry with me. Your astrologer is stupid nonsense. Ask. Huh? I say, don't go this thing. Western people, they are thinking, oh, very nice. Good. And going, and they also collect money and stupid money. And when you return back from India, Gurudev, how I'll go back? Yeah, every year we are looking this way. They are going to astrologer, going to here. Then all their money finished. How return back? Huh? Pagal. Huh?
All the money finished.
All the money finished there. Okay, because they are going to, what do you call? Astrologer will take me. Oh, you have 10,000, 12,000. Take this. Oh, this graha, this planet not good. That's good. Actually, nothing. Stupid nonsense. Are chant holy names. Not chanting holy name, going to the completely mad. Yeah, many examples. All you are also, I know. So don't go astrologer. Cheating. Nothing. Chant holy names. No one can to, what is called, stop your karma. Apani korile karma, apanari dai. How to stop? Only chanting holy name, Nam Sankirtan. No one can stop. You are saying, okay, these types of stone, only certain time they can stop. This is true. According to the, because Vasudev Goswami, the astrologer. This is true. Only certain time. If you what is called, commit offense, the murder case, criminal, police will be catch you or not. You cannot escape. You can go out anywhere. One day you have to the police, always you are searching to you. One day only. It is better surrender to. How long you to hide? How long you will hide? You cannot hide. One day police must be, what is called, CID police. One day catch you, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, after 100 years, catch you. In the same way, you committed some offense or karma. That karma you have to suffer. If you do astrologer, what will do? You tell to me. If astrologer tell you why he is suffering, why he is not protecting himself, tell to me. Sometimes I am giving this katha. Why he is suffering? This is not true. I believe the astrologer, I am not criticizing astrologer because Vasudev has written. Astrologer. That is called the 6, what is called? Upaveda. Understand? Siksha, Chanda, this is the 6, and this is also astrology. This is true. But astrology is written in this way. No one can protect you. But if you chant holy names, Nam Sankirtan, then all your karma, prabdha, aprabdha, all everything will be destroyed. And astrologer cannot destroy all these things. Eh? Astrologer just will say, this is true. If you calculate proper way, how do you calculate your proper everything? If you give the perfect birth, date of birth, when you took birth from the womb of your mother, and that time, perfect time, you will give, and then they will be calculated. And that calculation very, very also minute. Understand these things, not speculative. And if the good astrologer, very, as like Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada, is the perfect astrologer, he told us. You there. If that is okay, give calculation, this is true. You are saying this is your this. But your date of birth and time, maybe not perfect. How did the astrologer will be perfect will give the calculation. And even if they give this and calculation, but astrologer cannot stop your karma. You can ask any astrologer, could you change my what is called?
Fate.
No, karma. No one can change your karma. Just certain time, stop. This is true. Because okay, you do this karma, this, maybe certain time. Because you did karma. Karma is Ishwar. You did karma, you have to action. And you killed the cows, Gohatta. You have suffered or not? Okay, you can do Shastra saying, okay, you can do Chandran Praschitto, Godan, everything will be destroyed or not? No. Only certain things you relax sometimes. You have to suffer. But if you chant holy names, then all your holy names is very powerful. And even if you go astrologer, I will be saying also same thing. Okay, I am giving to you, but you chant holy names. Because without chanting holy names, your prabdha karma will not destroy. You say to this. In Ramayana also this, Lakshman, he asked to Ramchandra. Lakshman is Ramchandra, very nice this katha. I tell you. Lakshman, he asked Ramchandra, why people they have faith? Many people they have faith of the astrology or different things. This is true or wrong? Ramayana, you can see Ramayana. Lakshman, he asked Ramchandra this katha. You can see also, watch, they also Ramananda Sagar, this TV also. Ramchandra, Lakshman, he is massaging feet of Lord Ramchandra. And that time, that's then Lakshman, we are in forest, our father left body, and that time you are not there. Why? Why you are separation from my father, our father, and not we stay with them? Last time when we are 4 sons, but no one in front of him. No one give one drop of water in his mouth. Because Shastra is saying, why father wants the son? But his father wants, this is it, at the end of his death, his son give one drop of water. Our Shastra is saying in this way. Drop of water, isn't it? Putra means is your Sanskrit word. Putra means Put namak trayate, Put namak narakam trayate iti putra. Our Shastra is saying, why people they want son? Because our scripture explain, when son give the one drop of water in the mouth of his father, and at the end of his day, then his father will be delivered from the one kinds of naraka. That is called Putnamak Narak, one kinds of hell. He will be delivered. So for this regard, this is called Putra. You know, Sanskrit Putra, Putnamak Narakam Trayate iti Putra. So Lakshman, he asked this question. What is our karma? What is my father's karma? And what is our karma? We are not staying with our father. And no one can give one drop of water in the mouth of our father. What is the karma? And so why people, they also following this astrology, these things. This is true or wrong? Ramchandra told, hey Lakshman, listen. Our father, first Ramchandra he told, hey Lakshman, listen. Our father, Dasarath Maharaj, he is great, Mahan. He has no karma. Ramchandra himself told. And he is not any karma. He is not suffering any his karma. And not any karma. And just he is doing this lila. My father is great, Mahan. And even Lakshman also asked this question. Everybody told, you are Bhagavan. So you are Bhagavan, why not you staying in front of your father and give one drop of water? Then Ramchandra is very tricky. Ramchandra, no, I am not Bhagavan. Ramchandra told this thing. And just I have, and so this is my karma. So why? Actually, I am carrying the order of my father. That is a Priti Sattapala. Raghukula Riti Sadachali Yai Prana Jai Boru Bachananji. Ramchandra himself told. Ramchandra also indirectly saying, this is not my karma. Just I am carrying on the order of my father. Everybody is not suffering all his karma also. Some, there is a lila, some instruction of Lord. Isar Ichha. You cannot say all the living entities are suffering all their karma. You cannot say. But 99% they are suffering their karma. This is true. But 1% also they are not suffering their karma. So Ramchandra is saying this way. Our father is Mahan, great. Ramchandra so much glorified. Then Ramchandra is saying, so why people they following this astrology or these things? That Ramchandra is saying, listen. You don't know, you are walking, just straight walking. You don't know after this forest, when someone and walking in the forest, he does not know which direction he is going. And after forest, then one big mountain. And after mountain, what is there? Ocean. Ocean is there. So after ocean, where will you go? If you meet with someone, then give the perfect direction. Hey, you are going this way. You are going this way. After this forest, mountain. After this mountain, ocean. You cannot go. So you can, and your direction should be changed. And you are go this way, then you can go this way. You cannot go the straight. You are thinking always, I am go the straight. You go the straight. But after the mountain, what is that? Ocean. If one person is there and say no, after this you have to direction. Astrologer, this is the duty to direction, give the direction to you. This is a duty. They cannot change your karma. You can go any astrologer. Actually, could you change my karma? You ask any astrologer. If you say yes, why he is not own karma he is not changing? You tell to. No astrologer can say this word. Astrologer will be say, okay, I am giving this instruction, and after this graha, this is good favor, this is bad favor. Many, what is called? Dasha, they giving this direction to you. Direction to you. They cannot change your karma. You did that and that bad previous life, any life you did bad, you have to suffer. You have to suffer. But give that direction how to change. Understand? Your Sanit Dasha, this Markari, this. They will be explain all these things. They cannot to change or anything. Just give the direction to you. Good direction. Okay, if you go this way, this way, this way, you do this, many kinds of you do this, then your karma will be reduced. Huh? They are the thing. They cannot change it. You have to suffer. But our Shastra is saying, if you chant holy names, automatically prabdha, aprabdha, everything will be just. Nam Sankirtan. Nam Sankirtane sarva papa nasanam. Chetan. Eh? Sarva papa nasanam. Nam Sankirtan, we chant holy names. You have faith, you do Nam. Then do. Or if you faith that they think what to do. Astrologer cannot change your and cannot destroy your karma. Only just giving some direction to you. Okay, you go this way, this way, this way. Eh? Okay, you worship this chant this mantra, this mantra, this mantra, this mantra. You chant Saraswati mantra, you chant Kali mantra, you chant chanting one devata worship, another devata also. Angry with you. This is true. If you worship Devi Kali, then Devi Durga will be angry. Why not do it to me? Understand? All devata this is doing. So you can do this thing. If you see just to once I just to click, actually not my perfect, what is called Rasi or this thing. Just I click and put this thing. And give this, okay. Then every time they go, oh, you do this, your star is coming bad. You also chant this mantra. You do this worship. And then we understand. Actually, this is not my. I gave my date of birth. Actually, I did not give my date of birth. Understand? I am very clever. I know this. I'm like, what he is saying. Then every day mail coming. Oh my God. Then I have to block. I block again. I don't know how again block. They are making too much disturbance to you. Understand? They want to have to capture you and captivate and how to have to what is called and control you. Hypnotize your mind. This is true. If you once click, you go to the internet. Just you give your date of birth, not your date of birth. You can test yourself. And they also send every day. Every day send. Oh, this devatas, you are not good, this is not favored, this is not favored. Your mind is I can help to you. There are many also, right to there. I can help to you. Hey, here your name. You are asking your name. Hey, you are so there, this is all good thing. This is happening. Your mind would disturb. And taking money to you. If you say, then go, finish. So very careful. I am saying, you can go, just you don't go your own date of birth. Just to speculate with the then every day, and you also create one, or say, if they will ask you your email address. You can create on the new email address. Every day. I test. One person also told me, this is true. Yes, man. They will disturb you. Well, how to disturb? Then I create one my new email address. Outlook to this one. Then I also give not my perfect date of birth. Oh, you're this Rasi, and this is coming, this is coming, this is coming. Every day. Actually, why they every day? They also hypnotize your mind. Yes. They know faith. Oh, maybe he's saying which in life is not to happening anything. They go, oh, for this everything, oh, must be this is true. This is true. Actually, chant holy name. Chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama. You read this Ramayana, you can go watch the Ramayana. Lakshmana Ramchandra himself told this thing. Ramchandra also he gives the respect to the astrology. This is I am not criticized because our Prabhupada also and best or the topmost what is called astronomy. And so But this is the way. Need these types of person who proper way this way. Eh? And always is all our stars every day changing also. Changing. Eh? Every 2.5 days, all the either changing also. Eh? Understand? I sometimes I'll study. I'm not studying these things. Before I was studying, what is this? Then again, only what is called. Wasted time. The chant holy name is good. Okay, chalo. She is waiting, eh?
Yes.
Or you tell people.
O endereço que a gente vai depois daqui é Rua Henrique Schalman 1180. É a casa da Tarone dele. Qual é o apartamento?
11. A gente tá indo agora, apartamento 11.
Apartamento 11.
É agora?
É. Hã?
A gente tá indo agora.
SCH. Schalman. E depois programa no templo.
Temple program, 11 o'clock. Chalo. Eh? Now Taroni's house.
O templo, programa no templo às 11.
1108, condomínio de
Henrique Schalman 1180.